Nick Merrill here with Verisurf to talk about what's new in Verisurf 2021. Verisurf CAD file translators efficiently and accurately translate existing CAD models into Verisurf software. These translators import the complete model information and they eliminate conversion errors, which is critical to maintaining data integrity. Verisurf's optional Mold Plus translators now offer improved support for assemblies as well as model-based definition. These new releases also support CATIA V5 R30, CATIA V6 R21, Siemens NX 1946, JT 10.5, PTC Creo 7.0, and STEP AP242 E2. Hey, for more information, check out all of Verisurf's 2021 features and see the difference. If you like our videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive alerts when we post new videos. Thank you for watching.